Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating a unit in Unit Master form in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Unit Master form under the Sites Management module. Enter the unit name. This is the name used to measure your resource type, for example, lump sum, cum, or R. Next, enter a short unit description to help identify the unit's usage or context. Then, enter the GST UQC, which stands for Unit Quantity Code. This code is defined under the GST system and is required when filing GST returns on the portal. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of creating a unit in Unit Master form is complete.